to Manny Pagan travel channel. If you like travel, if you like this type of content, I'm going to ask you right now to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can always see this amazing content. Today we are in Rincon, Puerto Rico, my favorite city in Puerto Rico, and we are going to try and check out this amazing place called the Bohemian Suites. And I thought that this was the same building that I stayed at before, Casa Florencia, but it's actually the same owners, I believe, who made another spot, another house that actually is very luxurious. So when you go down the stairs, we were just like looking all over the place. We're like, all right, which one is ours, which one is ours? We finally got to it, and check it out. It's absolutely beautiful. So we came in through this door, refrigerator, sink, can cook here.
Not a coffee machine. An espresso machine.
Oh, you know, she's an addict, so she needs coffee all the time. Obviously we have the bed here. Let's see what we have here. We have a bathroom here. Bathroom.
We also have...
Looks nice.
Some type of,
oh, cool. Towels.
Some type of backyard thing over here.
Oh, is this, what is this? Oh, there's the area to go outside.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Wow. Wow.
This is beautiful. Wow. Wow, this is amazing.
That's our balcony up there.
Oh yeah, we have a little balcony up here too. Now, it started raining a little bit here, so unfortunately, we're not gonna have, you know, much heat. But it's very humid right now, so no problem getting to the pool and being cold. But man, this is beautiful.
Oh, this water's warm.
We got the tub here, and we can actually shower here. So there's one shower out here, so we could shower. And we can shower right here too. And if you're worried about neighbors and nearby people looking at us, well, we have a curtain right here that we can move and we'll have more privacy. All right, so check it out. Absolutely amazing. Oh, there's another bathroom as well. Wow, what do you think, babe?
I love it. I love plants, so this is like my jam.
This is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Table. It's a tree trunk.
Mm-hmm. Well, best believe that I'm gonna enjoy this today, tonight, and in the morning. We're only staying here one night, unfortunately. Probably should have. She said we're making our baby today. I don't know about that. But man, this is a beautiful, beautiful place. Absolutely love it. This is truly the life. This is exactly what I was hoping for, to get a beautiful sunset, semi-sunset, and enjoy beautiful Rincon in the best way possible. Renting one of these properties, Bohemian Suites, is probably one of the best places I ever stayed in, and I haven't even slept here yet. But I'm just very, very happy that I rented this, because it's all to ourselves. This is not shared, this is ours. And it really is a beautiful place. So I 100% recommend it. and let's see what the night looks like and what it feels like. All right, so we're definitely hungry after that dip.
Hungry.
So we came to Rincon to enjoy this beautiful view, and here are the best sunsets. Unfortunately, ours was a tad bit blocked, but still beautiful. It's amazing. And we want to eat some really good food, so let's see how this place is. So, surullitos, which is basically like corn sticks, something like that.
This is what I came here for.
How are they? I got caldo de pescado, which is not necessarily a fish soup, but it's like a fishy broth, yeah. Yes. Yes, that's really good. Great flavor. And this is why you come to Rincon. So we're sitting right there. That's the restaurant right there. And this is beautiful Rincon, Puerto Rico. It's absolutely amazing. So gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, we finally got the red snapper. She got the mai mai. How is it? It's good? Let's try it. Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh man, that's so good. That is so good. Really, really good. All right, so I gotta say, the harbor here in Rincon, so far it has a good 8, 9 out of 10 so far. So good. The food was amazing. The view is a 10 out of 10 view. I mean, it's watching the sunset with my beautiful wife.
I ain't so beautiful right now.
You're always beautiful, baby.
Thank you.
So I ordered dessert. Flan is like huge over here, but it's not like the crappy flan that you find in the United States. We're talking about like real flan, like Puerto Rican flan. And if you haven't tried it, you gotta try vanilla flan de vainilla. And then she got a molten cake with ice cream, so we're gonna see how that is.
Chocolate.
Let's do it. All right, so she got her cake with ice cream.
Wow.
I'm assuming it's good. Let's try this flan. Has a great taste to it. Really good taste to it. That was absolutely amazing. So I definitely recommend this place.
You might have to roll me out of here.
Yeah, I definitely recommend this restaurant if you're here in Rincon. Okay, back at the suite, the Bohemian suite for the night view, and I'm very excited for this. Oh yeah. Wow. This is so beautiful. With the cookies in the background and everything. Wow, this is amazing. Ah, man. Life. This is the life. My wife here, relaxing. And you gotta have some coffee, Puerto Rican coffee. They got an amazing espresso machine here. So we just bought some milk. Amazing. Good morning, my beautiful people. I am ready to go today. It's a beautiful day, but before we leave this amazing Bohemian Suites, let's check it out outside, how it is, and it's time for Puerto Rican coffee. So come with me. There's nothing like this, guys. There's nothing like this. I mean, obviously we have the pool down here. Should be very nice for a nice morning dip. But this view is priceless. Like, I absolutely love it. Guys, you guys gotta stay here. And let's try the coffee. My wife knows how to make real good coffee. We got Puerto Rican materials here. So I don't want to leave this place. I really don't. We have more adventures to go and a whole week of fun. So that is all. So like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you never miss this amazing content. We're putting more videos out each and every day, so make sure you stay tuned.